Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by locating the physical SIM and confirming your carrier. Once done, power on and unlock the phone so it can display SIM details. Use a SIM eject tool or a small paperclip to open the tray. This exposes the printed SIM ID or ICSID on many cards. Make sure to write that number down exactly. It's long and easy to mistype. If the SIM is embedded and not removable, move to phone settings next to retrieve the same ICSID digitally. You'll now use the phone's software to get the exact ICSID or SIM number. On an iPhone, go to Settings, General, About, and scan down to ICSID. On Android, open Settings, About Phone or SIM Card Manager, and view SIM status. Once there, copy or transcribe the displayed ICSID. It's the definitive identifier. Make sure to check each SIM slot on dual SIM devices because the active cellular number may differ from the ICSID. If copying, double-check each digit to avoid mistakes. Finish by confirming that the ICSID matches carrier records or test it with a quick SMS or call. This validates the SIM's active number. If the ICSID isn't shown, power down and reseat the SIM or remove it and inspect the printed card. If it's an eSIM or embedded SIM, open Carrier app or contact support for the ICSID. Once done, restart the phone and recheck settings. If problems persist, update the operating system or reach out to your carrier for guided troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.